Hello. Today is the last day of your free trial. You've made it through 30 days of learning new things in Kajabi and using them to grow your business. This process, it just has been awesome. So good for you for doing this. This is awesome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose the plan that you want if you're going to continue with Kajabi. If you're not going to continue with Kajabi, I'll show you how to cancel your free trial so that you don't keep paying, or so that you don't start paying. And if you are continuing, I'll also show you how to adjust your notifications because maybe over this last month you've been getting a lot of emails. And there's a bunch of different things to be notified about. And so I'll show you where that is as well. So let's jump right in to choosing your plan moving forward. So here from the Kajabi dashboard, we roll down into settings and we come down to the bottom, account settings. Now, first of all, if you are going to be staying with Kajabi, come over to this notifications and privacy if you haven't yet so far, and just take a look at all of these things that it's possible to get notified from. By default, all of these are going to be checked. I've unchecked them all because I don't want any notifications from this account. But if you've been just getting lots of notices, this is where you come and control some of that. So that is a great place to be aware of. Next, we want to come over to subscription. And if we are in the main settings area, subscription is just right here. So in the subscriptions, we see all of the stuff that we get with our current plan, and we want to change our plan. By default, your free trial will put you into whatever plan the trial kind of gave you, and it's different. Usually it's the growth plan that people start free trials with. Sometimes it could even be the pro plan, but you want to know what it is because it's just kind of a pain in the neck to get billed for a plan you don't want and then contact Kajabi and have them refund you to put you into the right plan. So you click here to change plan. And I just want to say that you want to do this as close to the end of your free trial as possible, because as soon as you take this action, your free trial is over. You're now a paying customer of Kajabi. And so this is a step that you don't want to do on your first day. Save it until the end so that you can get the most benefit from your trial. Okay, so here you will see the plan that you're currently in. And again, that's going to depend on what trial you started. And here you can choose your new plan. And so you can move up or down out of your trial into a different plan. And Kajabi is recommending I go into the basic plan because I'm in the Kickstarter plan, and that's the most logical progression. If you want to do annual billing, you can do that, or monthly billing. And it's actually kind of funny to notice this. All of these core features haven't been updated. If you go to Kajabi's pricing page, you'll see they no longer have restrictions on funnels or customers. I don't see, yeah, there it is, the customers. Those restrictions are gone. They just haven't updated this page yet. Anyways, it's really easy just to choose one of these and then jump into select. Now, if you need to pause your Kajabi account, you can do that by hitting this Park Account button, and that just basically pauses it. You get a reduced rate. I think it's $29 a month or something like that. And that can actually be really good if you are just, need to put things on hold for an extended period of time and you want everything to be there for you when you come back. You probably wouldn't be parking your account from a free trial. You probably would just start a new free trial in the future, but it's good to know that that's there. And then if you do want to cancel your account, instead of moving into a paid plan, you can just cancel your subscription right there. So that covers it. From here, you can take the action that you need to move yourself forward, either with or without Kajabi, in the right way possible. So it's been great to be with you for this past month, helping you with these things. I hope that you found it helpful. And if you have any questions or you need anything regarding Kajabi, feel free to reach out to me, jd@thecoachsupport.com. I'd be happy to hear from you. And if I can help, I will. Take care.